Hello everybody. Today I will be making one recipe that I saw Maria Emmerich make in her channel. And I'm curious on how this recipe tastes like because I cannot imagine a pudding made out of boiled eggs. So I'm thinking, should it have an eggy taste? I'm wondering. So I want to try this recipe and give you my opinion on the taste and to see if I like it or not. And plus I will be making my family try this out. The ingredient will be boiled eggs, of course. I have here 11 eggs. I did not see her list of ingredients in her channel, but I will try to make similar recipe. So I will be using 11 eggs. Alright, so as she says in her own video that you must have a strong blender. Otherwise it will come out a bit lumpy and you will not want that lumpiness going in your mouth. I mean, it should be nice and smooth, no grains, no balls, nothing. Should be very smooth and thick. And as you can see, these are boiled eggs. So now let's add all of these eggs in the blender. Alright, so now I'm going to add half a cup of stevia. You add any sweetener you desire. I mean, it's your choice. Or you can add stevia drops. Next, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of cacao powder. Okay, so here you get to choose what spices you want to add. You can add cinnamon, you can add cloves, sweet pimento. It's your choice, but I will just be adding only the vanilla. I love vanilla, so that's the only thing I'll be using. I will be using this vanilla stick. I'll just cut in half and use only half because a little goes a long way. So I'll just scrape off what's inside and just drop it in the blender. I will put the other half back in a tube so I can use in a future recipe. You see how dark it is? That nice little tiny thing will give a huge taste to this pudding. Next, I'll be adding milk. She uses 1 can of coconut milk, but I don't have that, so I'll be using 2 cups of almond milk. Alright, so now I'm going to blend this up. I want it to be very smooth, and here it is, already blended, and it looks awesome. I mean, it really looks nice and smooth. Now to do a taste test. It tastes so good, so it doesn't need no more sweetener. Now to add to each one of these little containers. Once I finish filling them all, I will put this in the fridge for 24 hours. So I will see you the next day. Okay, so I only took 4 out from the fridge and here it is. Look how lovely it is once I scoop it out. It looks so smooth. It really looks more like a mousse to me, but it is looking divine. I love the results. It looks really, really nice. Okay, so now it's time to give this a try. Oh my God, really? I do not feel the taste of egg at all. Really, I can't believe this. Maria Emmerich, you are a genius. I mean, really, it tastes delicious. I mean, there's no word for this to describe. I mean, it is awesome. I can't believe it. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I mean, it is so, so good and so creamy. You guys have to try this. Oh, and by the way, my whole family loved it except one little guy. Well, he's not little anymore. He's about 24 years old. He's the only one that did not like this pudding, but the rest of my family did love it, and they did not even realize what ingredient was in there. Can you imagine? I mean, they never even tasted the boiled egg taste. I hope you tried this out. It is really good. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.